Hello guys, I'm Vishak Singh and I'm back with a new video. In this video of Beyblade Burst Rivals, we are going to test out my new Bey, that is Vise Leapord. Yes, the Vise Leapord, its special technique is Howling Bite that does massive burst damage. Only this much. That means it do a lot of burst damage to the opponent. So now let's level it up. Here it is. I will level it up to level 13. Okay. Come on. Okay, so for now I will level it up to only level 10. Okay, now let's go in National League. Here it is, National League. And who's our opponent? It's Rantaro. But first, let's give Vise Leapord a avatar because I don't have Vise Leapord avatar. But soon I will take that also. Okay, so before starting the match, I'd like to tell you, go and follow me on Instagram, Amazing Kushag Singh, and join my server in Discord. The link is in the description. Okay, here we go. Okay, so the Bey technique is taking time to get charged. When I have seen Howling Bite in the anime, it was really cool. And I like that also. Now let's see how the Howling Bite is in this game. Okay, I don't want to defeat Rantaro before using Howling Bite. Come on. Okay, get charged. Yes, now it is charged up. Now we can match tiles very freely. Now there's no need to charge up Bey technique. We have charged the Bey technique once. Howling Bite. Howling Bite! That really did a lot of burst damage. And it can do more burst damage if it was on higher level. But yes, whatever it is, I like this. So this was it for this video. We will soon meet in my next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel, like my videos. Goodbye and stay safe.